For an easy way to apply your liquid foundation, try and use your fingers instead of a sponge or a brush. It also might give you less coverage, but it still will look very natural and beautiful at the end. Now the tools that I'm using for today's video is a moisturizer or primer for your skin so that you can prep your skin, and it also depends on your skin type. Then I'm also going to use a liquid foundation, and all what you need as tools is your fingers and also the back of your hand. Now for the foundation that I'm using today is the Wild Nature one, and I'm also in the shade Light. Wild Nature has this mineral based foundation, and it's also oil free. It's free of harsh chemicals, and it's also free of parabens. It also has some sun protection and natural ingredients in it. Now this is the one that I'm going to use and also apply with my fingers because I just know that it gives me a beautiful finish. Now my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a professional makeup artist, and let's get started with the application. Step number 1, start with a primer that's suitable for your skin type. Apply it evenly on your face with your fingertips. Choose a mattifying primer for oily skin and a moisturizing one for dry skin. Step number 2, place a small amount of foundation onto the back of your hand. This will avoid having too much product on your hand, and that you always can add more if you need to. Make sure you're using the right foundation for your skin tone. Step number 3, dip your fingers into the foundation. Be careful not to use too much product. Step number 4, apply the foundation to your face using circular motions. Be light-handed and avoid dragging your skin. Instead, gently blend the foundation and spread it evenly over your face. Keep buffing and blending until you get an even layer and finish. Remember to blend it into your hairline and jawline for a natural look. Now once you have applied your foundation with your fingers, as you can see, it evened out my skin like textures and also redness that I had, and it still works beautifully and gives me a smooth and also a very light layer. And now you're also ready to apply any other products like blush and also a bit of powder and contour, etc. to finish off your makeup, and you can just change it up as you want. You can keep it still very natural with a little bit of lip balm and mascara, or you can also create a beautiful eye makeup look and still a bit more of a darker lip. It will work beautifully and still look very natural when it comes to the finish. Now the way that you want to go with the makeup, that's totally up to you. If you want to keep it very natural and soft, or if you want to keep it a bit more dramatic, it still will work, because all what you've done so far is you've evened out any redness and also problematic areas. And still, if you have some problems, then you always can use a bit of concealer and spot conceal all over and then set it with powder. Now that's what I wanted to show you, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you could enjoy and also learn from this tutorial by using, well, for me personally, by using the Wild Nature foundation. Of course, this also will work with any type of liquid foundation. It just will give you a beautiful and natural finish. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!